Hello friends, greetings for the day. Today I am going to discuss in short sleep in children. Sleep is not a passive, rather it is an active neurophysiological state. Sleep is essential for growth and development of child. Sleep has been divided into different stages and it is studied by a study called polysomnography, PSG. So in cases of newborn, which is from birth to 2 months, in case of sleep, as per recommended by American Academy of Sleep Medicine, so newborn period is birth to 28 days, but for sleep study, for sleep pattern, it is birth to 2 months of age. So in newborn period, sleep consists of 3 stages: active sleep, quiet sleep, indeterminate sleep. After that, gradually the sleep stages develop into NREM sleep, REM sleep. In NREM sleep, there is growth of the body, proper growth of body. In REM sleep, restoration of memory and cognitive functions develop. So both stages are important. NREM has been divided into NREM 1, NREM 2, NREM 3. So how to recognize these sleep patterns, sleep architecture? It is recognized on polysomnography by EEG pattern, EMG pattern, EOG pattern. So this will give you the sleep pattern, and most of the common sleep disorders like sleep nocturnal enuresis, somnambulism, that is sleepwalking, night terror, these occur in NREM sleep 3. And in REM sleep, there may be dreaming and nightmares. So there are various sleep disorders. The commonest is insomnia, others are hypersomnia, restless legs syndrome, bruxism. So these are various sleep disorders. Hypersomnia, and hypersomnia may be of central origin, peripheral origin. So as a pediatrician or pediatrologist, you should know the sleep stages of sleep disorders in sleep. For more knowledge, please join fellowship program in pediatric pulmonology with bronchoscopy at Respiratory Foundation of India. Be aware, take care, thanks.